What's up, Amazon gang? Colorado Strong here with a 2017 Patriot. I've got the 3157 bulb installed in the brake light assembly, which is also the turn signal for a Patriot. So it's bright enough to give you that green flare effect on the lens. That's turn signal only and the parking light. So it's a great replacement for your incandescent bulb. I had to install load resistors. I have LEDs in the front turn signal parking light, and they worked great until I took the incandescent bulb out from here and replaced it with the LED. The LED just doesn't pull the power that the incandescent bulb was pulling, and that incandescent bulb was acting like that load resistor right there. So it doesn't matter which LED bulb you put in, or it didn't matter for me. I had to add that load resistor, and I just put one back here, and that helped, that stopped the hyper flash on this bulb and the front turn signal. So I just added one load resistor here and one on the other side. And it's just a lot easier for me to get to the rear to do that. Most cars, you just can't get to the front. But look at that bulb. That's spectacular. So Amazon's hooked me up. I've got some aux beam backup lights right there. And I'm totally LED now. There's your bulb. Great fit, bright. And you can see in the still shots that socket was just about to go. So now the heat is no longer on that socket. The heat from the load is now over here on that load resistor. And I added some thermal paste to the back of that to help transfer the heat away. All right, thanks for watching. Great bulb. Talk to you later. Colorado Strong.